if the menu button or the recent apps button is not working on your Samsung phone. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Display, and from here you will find the option of Navigation Bar. Just tap on it, then select Swipe Gestures. After you select Swipe Gestures, then go to your home screen and restart your Samsung phone. Just open the Quick Settings, then tap on the power icon over here and select Restart. After the restart process is completed, then go to Settings and go to Display. Now just tap on Navigation Bar. Now just change the navigation bar back to the buttons. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. As you can see, our issue has been fixed. But if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install. Now as you can see, we are not connected to the internet. Before you tap on Download and Install, just make sure you connect your Samsung phone to the Wi-Fi network or to the internet. Then tap on Download and Install. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. Now if you have done all that and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have enabled a setting which might be interfering with the working of the recent apps button on your Samsung phone. To fix this issue, just go to Settings, then tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now just tap on Reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your Samsung phone. It will only reset all the settings in case if you have enabled a setting which might be interfering with the working of the navigation bar on your Samsung phone. And once you do that, you will fix the menu button not working problem on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.